How to automatically delete Signal messages to save storage space on Android. Signal conversation can spawn on over multiple years and multiple phones. These archives can get rather large as you share photos, videos, and other files with friends. With Signal on Android, you can have messages delete themselves automatically. Once you've reached a specified amount of messages, all older messages are removed from the conversation. This can be a huge help if your phone storage is limited, and it's also a great way to keep your messages tidy and easier to search through. Open Signal and tap the menu from the top right. Choose Settings. Tap Storage on the next page. You will see here an option, Keep Messages. Tap on that. You will have an option to keep your messages for 1 year, 6 months, or 30 days. Older messages will be deleted. You can choose how much time you want to keep the messages. If you have very low storage, you can choose 30 days. You will receive a message that this will permanently delete all messages and older media. Please be sure you want to do this as the messages cannot be recovered after this. Tap Delete if you want to do this or Cancel if you have doubts. Now tap on the back arrow from the top. You can now configure how many messages to keep per conversation. If you have more messages than the conversation length limit, then those messages will be deleted. Again, after you select this, you will receive a warning. You will receive a message that this will permanently delete all messages and older media. Please be sure you want to do this as the messages cannot be recovered after this. Tap Delete if you want to do this or Cancel if you have doubts. If you want to clear message history and media from your device, you can use the option Clear Message History. This option will not delete all messages, only the messages that are older. This is how you automatically delete Signal messages to save storage space on your Android device. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.